Just cut a subsoiler point blade in half, and my goal today is to get one of those folded into a billet. Completely different piece of subsoiler point. I just want to cut a piece off, add in. So I got another starter billet going. 8 layers, all high carbon, subsoiler point tractor blade, 2 folds, slip a little something each time. It's in pretty good shape, a little rough because it still looks a little bit like the tractor blade I started out with, but that'll change. We get a few more folds in, square it off and everything. Gonna take it up to about 80-90 layers, and after that I'm gonna make another billet just like it. And when I get all 3 billets together, I'm gonna make a wakazashi or katana or whatever I can make out of it. So we'll see. But what I set out to do this weekend, I accomplished, and I'm pretty pleased about that. So hope you all had a good weekend, and I will see you on the other side of the week. Stay well, be good.